I am Father Dominic Savio from Tanjavur Diocese. We have got nearly 55 people from Tamil Nadu. They are from different parishes and from the different dioceses. It is their long time dream of coming to Goa to see St Francis Xavier. They feel it is a blessing. So they are so excited. For some of them for the first time, and the rest have come second or third time. So and our friend Mr. Paul Raj is the one who coordinated and arranged everything. So it's a blessing. We are very happy in Goa.
Every year coming out this time.
Oh, it is a very, we come in different times, but this is the special pilgrimage because of the exposition of the St Francis Xavier. So for many people, this is the first time they come, and it is especially for this occasion.